Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So apparently, there are so many payment methods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, but in this video, I'm going to recommend the best payment method for every Pinduoduo user, whether you are in China or you are foreigner. This payment method is the best so far and guarantee you security of whatever you purchase from any supplier or any store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Star of Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. If you have Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app on your phone and you do not know the best payment method or what are the payment method available to Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video. The very first thing I'm going to show you right here is to open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So click on that. Then when you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, you need to search for products from different manufacturers. Now, after you have sourced for the product from different manufacturer, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you have the product to cart. Because if you do not have the product to cart, you will not have access to means of payment or the best payment method that can be suited for your purchase on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Then after you have successfully add the product to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your profile. Then from your profile right here, click on here to fill your cart. I'm going to click on here. Now it's taking me right here. Now here I can simply select this particular product. Let's say I want to pay for this product, but I do not know the actual payment method available on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app or which one can be work for me best. So next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed. Then you have everything right here. Here, as at the time of making this video, there are about 4 means of payments in Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Just like what you see right there. The number one here is WeChat. Number 2 is Card. Number 3 here is Alipay. Number 4 here is Pay for Me Friend. Now, how do you use this? So if you want to pay with your WeChat Pay, simply switch to WeChat. But here, you need to make sure that your WeChat Pay has been fully activated and you have funds in that WeChat Pay before you can use it. Once you select your WeChat Pay, click on here to proceed to payment, and you'll be asked to enter your payment password. Then the payment will be successful once you initiate with the payment password. But if you do not have WeChat Pay and you still want to pay your Chinese supplier, switch to MasterCard or Visa card or JCB or American Express. So this allows you to make payments with your card, whether any type of this card right here, it will work. But in some cases, if your card do not work, it simply means that the Chinese payment gateway system do not recognize your bank card, or maybe your bank card does not support international payment. So you have to contact your bank to make inquiry, and they will tell you the reason why your card is not being supported, and they will make a recommended card for you that you can use to pay your Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. But at the time of making this video, these are the visual type of card that can work perfectly for payment on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Then the third one here is your Alipay. So if you don't have that, select on Alipay as another means of payment. Alipay is very much easy to pay any Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I've been using this Alipay as a means of payment for a very long time now, and I do not have any issue. So far so good. Alipay remain my best payment method on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. The very last one here is friend pay by friend. Here you send the pay for me friend to friend. So for the fact that you do not have this payment method, you do not have this payment method, you don't have this payment method, then you can use this method, which is pay for me friend. So you don't have this, you don't have this, you don't have this, you can use this. This simply means that no matter how difficult, you will still pay your Chinese supplier, except you are not ready to make a purchase from that particular supplier. So Pinduoduo has made everything simple and easy for any payment hassle. So it's as simple as that. So, but all in all, if you do not have this, you do not have this, you do not have this, and you do not have this, you can also contact me to make payment to your Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo, Chinese shopping app, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or any Chinese e-commerce platform, just reach out to me on WhatsApp and I will make the payment for you successful without any stress. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation business with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app or 1688 or Taobao, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.